Iria ria Kapnarok riria gwa kahinda karaya rikoretwo riri ria bata mwena uyu makiria kuri thukuru wa secondary wa St Patrick 10 riu riri hatikaini wa kuhuka thutha wa iria riri kũũma.
So there are a lot of grass and swamp. It is drying off. There is significant tree loss and erosion and environmental degradations.
Gwa kahinda ka makiria ma miaka 30 arutwo a thukuru wa secondary wa anake wa St Patrick 10 makoretwo magicera iria-ini riri ari ta njira ya kuhoreria meciria makiria riria marehariria guikarira kigeranio gia kibũrũri gia KCSE.
We did not find water during that time. Around this time in the early 90s and the 80s there was water in Lake Kapnarok, but right now there is no water, only grass, and we are kind of shocked.
Iria riri riria riroikaine gukorwo riri na namba nene ya ing'ang'i gitaro-ini kia Africa thutha wa iria ria Cha rirerikana riu gukorwo riihurite ndoro iria yumanite na mihang'o ya andu iria-ini riri.
And everyone should have supported the conservation of this lake, because this lake plays a major ecological balance in this area.
The lake is filling in with sediments. It's getting shallower and shallower, and the hyacinth weed which grows in Lake Victoria, that hyacinth weed is now spreading over the surface of the lake.
Kũũma kwa iria riri nikuo kurehete hamwe arutwo aria mathomagira thukuru-ini uyu guku makiuria thirikari cia kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet na Baringo hamwe na aikari aria marigicĩirie iria-ini riri kuoya ikinya ria na ihenya na gutigirira ni macokia iria riri.
We have to talk to the county governments of Baringo and county government of Elgeyo Marakwet so that they put in measures that will give priority and make sure that they address this issue.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, gitagwo Francis Garoya.